Is there a whisper, crackle, or weird static sneaking into your AirPods for playback? Maybe you're hearing a faint hiss in the middle of your favorite song, or worse, an annoying buzzing in a quiet part of a podcast. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Every day, countless AirPods 4 users report frustrating audio quirks. So in this video, I'm not just handing you a list of fixes. By the end, you'll understand why it's happening, how to resolve it step by step, and prevent it forever. Sound good? Grab your AirPods, settle in, and let's troubleshoot together, starting from the basics and working up to those advanced tips that Apple rarely talks about. Let's dive in. Why static happens. Core causes. Here are the 5 most common reasons your AirPods 4 might be making static, crackling, hissing, or buzzing noises. Firmware glitches messing with audio processing, Bluetooth interference from nearby devices or crowded Wi-Fi, low or mismatched battery levels between the two buds, dirt or moisture debris on the speaker mesh or charging contacts, software bugs or overloaded memory on your phone or paired device. These aren't random. They build up over daily use, commutes, calls, workouts, you name it. Firmware fix and why it matters. Apple pushes silent firmware updates to AirPods. If yours missed one, static can creep in. Go to Settings, then Bluetooth on your iPhone. Tap the I button next to your AirPods. Scroll to firmware version. Open Safari and Google Apple AirPods firmware version, site support.apple.com, and compare. If your version is outdated, place both buds in the case, leave the lid open, keep your iPhone nearby, connected to Wi-Fi and power, wait 30 minutes. Updates install automatically. Why it works? Firmware controls Bluetooth audio algorithms. Bugs in older firmware can cause audio artifacts like static or pups. Cleaning your AirPods. You'd be surprised how often dust or wax causes audio issues. Use a dry microfiber cloth or a soft toothbrush to gently scrub the speaker mesh and stem. No liquids, 0 water or alcohol at this stage. Clean the charging case interior and contacts using a soft cotton swab or cautious compressed air. Battery balance and power issues. Checking and balancing. Open the AirPods case near your iPhone. Look at the battery widget, left, right, and case. If one bud is much lower than the other, charge all 3 until full. Uneven power causes Bluetooth sync issues, resulting in jumpy or crackling audio. Preventative advice. Keep both buds above 20%. Use the same case. They talk to each other via the case. Factory reset your AirPods. On iPhone, go to Settings, Bluetooth, then I button, forget this device. Put both AirPods in the case and close it. Wait 30 seconds. Open the lid, then press and hold the back button until LED flashes amber, then white. Repair to your iPhone and test. This wipes out Bluetooth profile corruption, cached glitches, and drift. Restart your iPhone. Quick Restart clears Bluetooth memory and cached audio settings. For iPhone with Face ID, press and quickly release volume up, then volume down, then hold side button until you see Apple logo. If you've never restarted in ages, this could be the seat of your pants fix. It's surprisingly effective. Bluetooth interference and signal issues. Common unfenders, microwave ovens, crowded Wi-Fi channels, wireless speakers, Apple Watch, other Bluetooth devices. Try this experiment. Move to an area with fewer devices. Turn off surrounding Bluetooth accessories. Switch streaming from Wi-Fi to mobile data. If audio suddenly gets clean, interference was the culprit. Test with another device. Pair your AirPods to a different iPhone, iPad, or Mac and stream the same track. If the problem disappears, your original device is at fault. If it remains, your AirPods, hardware or firmware, still have the issue. Testing across platforms isolates whether it's the buds or the phone. When to contact Apple support. If after firmware updates, cleaning, resets, fresh devices, and interference checks, you're still hearing buzzing, it's likely a hardware defect. Visit support.apple.com, enter your serial number. If under warranty or Apple Care, Apple may offer a replacement or repair, especially if this audio issue tracks to a known batch. Some users experienced recall or free swap cases, so always check with Apple. If this video helped you fix your AirPods 4 and your audio is now sweet and static-free, drop a comment below. Did one of these steps do the trick? Still hearing buzzing or static? Smash that like button and subscribe for more tech fixes and gadget deep dives.